2. The arrow diagram on the right shows a function h. State the value of m. Okay, so m is the image of 6. So first here we need to find what is the relationship between the object and the image. So negative 2 and 2 becomes 3. Okay. 4 becomes 15. 6 becomes m. So this one looks like they have squared it, because negative 2 and 2 both, if you square it, you'll get 4. So 4 to 3, I think it's minus 1. So let's just try lah. Okay, let's just take x square minus 1. Let's see if it fits or not. So these two you square, you get 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, so this one fits. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Fits. So that tells us that the function hx is x square minus 1. So if you want to find m, we need to find h6. 6 square minus 1. So this will give us 35. And then b, using the function notation, express h in terms of x. So this is just the function lah, x square minus 1. That's all. So in exam, of course, this is not a direct calculation question, so you have to do some trial and error. Okay, I'll give you a tip lah. In exam, right, if you see like this, negative 2 and 2 leading to one single number, right, most probably it's a square. Because when you square negative 2 and when you square 2, both also will become 4. So then you can try to figure out, okay, this one 4 means then it becomes 3, so 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 square is 16, minus 1 gives us 15. So that's how you try to do some trial and error lah. Okay, right.